In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to GetResponse, so new Typeform entries automatically create contacts in your GetResponse list. We'll be setting up a simple Zap in Zapier that takes information submitted through a Typeform form and sends it directly into GetResponse. This is a great way to automate lead collection, save time, and make sure your contacts are added to the right list without any manual copying and pasting. To begin, log into your Zapier account and create a new Zap. For the Trigger app, choose Typeform, then select the trigger event for a new entry. This tells Zapier to watch your Typeform and start the automation every time someone submits a response. Once that's selected, connect your Typeform account if needed and make sure you choose the correct form you want to monitor. It's a good idea to confirm you're using the exact form connected to your lead capture or sign-up process, so the data flows in correctly. Next, move to the Action step. Search for GetResponse and choose it as the Action app. Then select the Action event to create a contact. This means each new Typeform submission will generate a new contact inside your GetResponse account automatically. If prompted, authorize your GetResponse account so Zapier can send the data securely between the two platforms. After connecting the account, choose the specific contact list where you want these new subscribers or leads to be added. Be careful here because selecting the right list is important for keeping your audience organized and making sure any follow-up campaigns go to the correct people. After that, you'll map the fields from Typeform to GetResponse. This is where you tell Zapier which answers from the form should go into which contact fields. At minimum, map the email field from Typeform to the email field in GetResponse. Then continue mapping any other form responses you want to store, such as name or other relevant custom field information available in your setup. Take a moment to review the field mapping carefully, because accurate mapping helps prevent missing or misplaced contact data later. Once everything looks good, publish the Zap. Turning it on makes the automation live, so from that point forward, every new Typeform entry will be sent to GetResponse and added